Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Indian Cooking in English. Hope you guys are healthy, happy and eating good food. And thank you so much for giving love to our first two videos. If you haven't watched them, then it's linked in description box. Okay, so let's start with our new recipe. Today we will make cheese tomato, especially for kids. It's a very quick and easy recipe and you can eat it with any Indian bread, rice or can eat it as it is with any drink as well. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. You need an Indian cottage cheese which is easily available in market. This is 250 grams. 1 medium sized tomato. Full fat milk cream separated from milk at home. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt according to your taste, but here it is half tablespoon, and an optional green chili plus any vegetable oil. Now we will chop tomato and green chili. As you can see, green chili and tomato is done. Also cut the cheese into small pieces in any shape you like. Now take a pan, heat it up at low flame and put 1 small spoon of oil. Then add at first tomato. And cover it for 30 seconds. You just need to temper them. Then add salt so as to cook them fast. After that, we will add water and cover it for another 30 seconds. Now add green chili, turmeric powder and milk cream. Lastly, add cheese and cover it for 30 seconds and let them get cooked. Finally, it's ready. Let's turn off the flame and serve it.